We are now going to discuss the topic what is JDK, what is JRE, and what is JVM. So basically, these three are the basic fundamental tool for developing Java application or for running Java applications. So first we discuss JDK. As you see, JDK is the superset and JRE and JVM both are subset. JDK stands for Java Development Kit, JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, and JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. So what is JDK? JDK is something that is used for developing Java applications. So what do you think about developing application? So if you are going to make a program in Java, you should have a JDK. Without JDK, you can't run any Java program or you can't make any Java program, you can say that. You install BlueJ, you install NetBeans. There are many others IDE like Eclipse, but all are having JDK as a basic component. These all are only integrated development environment, which is known as IDE, which is a tool for making Java application very easier. Clear? So for developing a developing a program in Java, you should have JDK. If you have only JDK, you can also develop the Java program, but for this, you will have to run command prompt and you have to run commands some like Java C and Java. Clear? So JDK is for developing Java application. Clear? So when you are going to develop an application in Java or you are developing any program in Java, you should also compile that program if you know the programming. So for compilation and for getting the output, all of these are in the part of JDK. Why? Because when you are going to make the program, all of these should be in the JDK for running your application. Clear? And when we are going to discuss JRE, that is only Java Runtime Environment. So Java Runtime Environment is something that you have a compiled program, you have a bytecode, and you will just have to run the code. Clear? So for that purpose, JRE is there. That will run your bytecode or your compiled file of Java. So basically, when you are using desktop application or mobile application, they are saying you will have to enable your Java and you will have to install JRE for some application. So for that reason, means a Java program will be there as a bytecode, or you can say that compiled code of Java, and you will have to get the output for that application. So you should have JRE in your computer, laptop, or in mobile also. Clear? So JRE is something like if you don't have to develop the program but only run the program. So for that purpose, you should have JRE. Clear? And JVM is something which is a main substance for platform independence. Clear? So basically, platform independence means sometimes people are thinking that independence means something that is depend upon OS. But I am not talking about that platform independence. Why? Because platform independence means machine independence, you consider it. So whenever you have installed Java, you see that Java saying that over 2.2 billion devices are using Java. So they are not telling about the operating system, and there are not 2.2 billion operating system in the world. There are 2.2 billion devices in the world. So JVM is something which is installed over the hardware. Clear? So when it is installed over the hardware, then that hardware can be utilized via JVM. That's why JVM is something which is required for platform independence. You can make any program in Java and that program can be run on any machine due to JVM. Clear? So JVM is also a part of Java which is used for running the Java application, or you can say that after compilation there will be a JVM for getting the output. So if there is a clash, what is a clash? The clash is that what is the difference between JRE and JVM? So JRE and JVM both are same for some purpose like running the application of Java. But JRE is more powerful as it has the JVM. Clear? And JVM is a tool which is for running the Java application. But JRE has some Java class libraries. So Java class libraries are the extended form of Java applications, or you can say that if you install a Java program or Java application, which require some higher definitions of Java class libraries, which is not in the JVM, or you can say that that is not a basic part of Java. You can say that. So for enhanced capabilities, you should have JRE. Clear? So JRE also have JVM, and it also has some enhanced part, so it will run your application. So I think all the doubts are clear. So JDK is for developing the application, JRE is for running the application, and JVM is for platform independence. So thank